The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1126 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.